Hi friends, this is Jeevan. Okay friends, today we'll see about what is the auction of Blue Origin. It is a thing is going to space of first person who was going with world's richest man. For that it is a current value and we'll see what is the current and what is this kind of things, and I will see so much things in this video. Before that, please subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon. Okay friends, before that I will tell what is the news that the world's richest man Jeff Bezos and his brother they have the company of Blue Origin. With them, the one common person who can go with them, there is an register website here. In that website they have kept that Blue Origin bid for the first seat on New Shepard. It is an first New Shepard in the world. It is an first shepherd in the world. You can also become the first shepherd in the world. You are the first. You can be the first if you have the money. It is the money of $4 million now, current price. The $4 million. What is happening there we will see in this video. There is an flight of same rocket. In that rocket, the top it is called as capsule, and the down it will boost up to go up. It will also use I will tell with the explanation with my imagination. You also keep your imagination. It is on top of it is on one part, and down the long part it is also two part. It is on two parts. In the top part there is an 3 seaters. One of that is Jeff Bezos and his brother. Third seat is to the common person who have there. The now current value is $4 million. It will go on July 20. They are going on July 20. I am seeing in the official page of Blue Origin. The New Shepard will fly its first astronaut crew to space. We are offering one seat on the first human flight to winning bidder of the online auction. I am in that online auctions. I am not registered, but I am seeing out of it what is an whole page. Registered to bid in the auction for the very first seat of the New Shepard. Close at 5 p.m. 5 p.m. and 21:00 UTC on June 10th. June 10th it will close. The live auction will take place on June 12th at 1st p.m. and 17th UTC. And it is the thing. The winning bid amount will be donated for Blue Origin Foundation. They are not using that money of first. They are donating for Blue Origin's Foundation. Club for the future, to inspiring future generation to pressure carriers to STEAM and help invest the future of the life in space. This is an thing they are tell that in the first page of that Blue Origin. What is happening there I am telling now in the two parts. When they are telling 0, 9, 8, 6, the content is going, and they are fighting for the sub earth origin. The sub earth origin they are going for that level. In that level they are going, and and they are going from up, and the lower part, I am telling that it is a lower part. In that lower part they are falling that, and slowly it will come. Okay, in that place the flat ground. Okay, in that flat ground it will come from the height. Okay, in that height it will come. Okay, it will also give the boost. Okay, and it will come slowly and slowly. Okay, in that slowly it is coming. After it will come near the earth. Okay, before that it will come faster to the from the sub earth sub origin. Okay, from there into nearby earth. Okay, it will come very faster, and after coming near of our earth. Okay, after it will come off very slowly like this. Okay, this like it will come. Okay, this is one thing what is happening. It will only you can enjoy that for 11 minutes. Okay, it is an like touristing. You are going for tour. It kind kind of thing is this. Okay, this is an kind, you can see here, this kind of things they are telling that. Okay, in these kind of things they are telling that. Okay, and of black, not that black capsule. Okay, white capsule, they are going in the white flight. Okay, in that white flight is in parts. Okay, it is in two parts, that's all. In new or going to moon, this kind of things all should be larger than that. Okay, some kind of flights which is in the rocket, it will waste that lower part. Okay, in that lower part they will waste that, but this is not wasting, it will come slowly in the earth. I have tell that before. Okay, this is something what is there happening. Okay, next, before that what happened, the capsule is an 11 minutes, it will surrounding that suborbit place. Okay, in that suborbit place it will live on 11 minutes only. Because of it they are investing that 4 million in the Indian rupees. I cannot believe. You know. Okay, calculate. Okay, next, what happened that capsule? After that, before that 11 minutes, after it will come like that, same like that lower part it will come, and this lower part when is going to that suborigin it will cut. Okay, and it will in that there is an boosters. Okay, in that capsule there is an boosters. It will up to fly that rocket's cab. Okay, this is something there is happening. Okay, after that what is happening there, it will come same like that slowly, but this come near by full and fully it will come faster than faster, but same like that it will come near and it will do slowly, but before that it will go very then faster than the lower part. Okay, this is something they are happening. Okay, this is something we have uploaded also, but I have uploaded that with 2 mysteries and uses. Because of it I am uploading it 3. Okay, and I am upload this video today night. Okay, this morning. Okay, and this is something, if you want to earn money, I have give the link down, videos link down, you can click that and you can also earn money. Okay, this is our end of our video. Until then, bye from Jeevan.